This is Bree, and Bree is a natural level 6, and she is going to be a full bleach out today, and we are going to make her a bright redhead with a very light peachy tipped ends. So this is our natural level starting here, and this is her natural texture hair, and she is a virgin, guys. Another great thing about Bree is she makes cupcakes. So stay tuned for Hair Toots Light. Raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Okay, guys, here we go. So we are using Oligo Pro and their cream lightener with Olaplex, of course. And I probably started with like 10 volume. This footage is from about 2 years ago. And Bree's hair is very fine. So which means her hair is going to lift super fast. So when I'm applying it, I'm going to apply it 1/4 of an inch from the root because there is a heat zone coming off the scalp, and that's going to process faster than from the 1/4 of an inch from the root out. And you can see I'm going to work it with in between my fingers, and I am speeding this up for your viewing pleasure, guys, because this stuff can be boring. So after I apply all of this, and we did not get that footage because sometimes we get busy, I will apply to the root area and let that process to about a level 9 because she wants to be a really bright, light redhead. So now after that, I am going to tone her with. Are you guys over foilers? I know I can be, and that's why I created the High Impact 15 foil. You guys can go ahead and click the link in the description, and there it is for you, free 15 foil, which will take you into my Beyond the Blonde series that'll give you 3 different looks. This is my paid education, guys. The link is in the description. Okay, guys, back to the toning. So I am using 7R and Calura Gloss, and I am going to comb this through. It's almost like filling it back in just to give it the base. Now, a lot of people are going to tell me, hey, I could get that look with a tint, and you could get this look with a tint. You absolutely could. But here's the thing. Bree told me that in the future, she would like to switch it up to do different colors. And I can remove direct dyes and apply other direct dyes on top of this a lot easier than I can with tint. Once I apply tint to this color or to the hair, then it just becomes a whole different issue of removing. So this is a lot easier. So I thought I would give my Nomad hair foil board. So here I am going in, and with this procedure, I am using Matrix So Cult, and I am going to add 1/16 of an ounce of Olaplex into both of my direct dyes. It's like giving a treatment all in one. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work those colors in. I was giving this a go, trying to feather the colors down into each other. You can see I was doing like this hand flick thing. I was like flicking it down. I'm trying to blend those colors together. But I do find when you do this with a board, you have to take really, really fine sections, and it's really hard to work the colors into each other. So working it side to side helps roll the hair. So I don't know how much I love this technique. It was something that I tried, and I like trying new stuff. And this is something that I tried. As you can see, I'm doing that hand flickering thing again. So guys, if you like and value my content, don't forget to follow me on all the socials at Elyse Rox. I'll usually pop up. Instagram, I threw some zeros on the end. Every place else, it's pretty much just Elyse Rox. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, I gave up on the board a bit here. So now I'm just combing it down. And remember, guys, I speed this up, so I am not beating the crap out of her. Just remember, oh, and now the board's back. So this color on the ends was a peach color. So, and this was probably a custom creation that I made. So I like to keep a gap in between the 2 colors. So I'll put the red on, and then I'll leave a space, and then I'll go down and I'll put the lighter color on. Now, I explained to my client, to Bree, that I don't generally like doing such dark colors with such light colors because I feel like once they wash their hair, it's just going to be like gone. And like, I don't want to spend all this time like putting all of this work into something and it just is like gone. So, you know, and she understood that, and she was totally cool with it. So, like I said, direct dyes, they directly go in and they directly come out. They don't require oxidation, and so they will bleed a lot. So that it's going to run a lot. I do have a whole process in the way that I have my clients take care of their hair when they go home. So as you can see, I'm doing an angle down, so an angle back, just to kind of leave like some dimension around the face and kind of keep it bright around her face. I'm just so worried, like when I rinse this, that all that red is just gonna bleed down, because red is such a heavy pigment. And it's just so potent compared to the other colors. And so it just freaks me. It was just freaking me out and the whole time. And so it came out great in the long run, but still, it just freaks me out, you know? So still trying with my Nomad hair foil board, guys. And if you wanted to check these boards out, you can go, the link is in the description as well. Guys, this came out super fiery and super awesome, and I super loved it. And so does Bree, and I still see Bree to this day, and I actually just saw her today. She makes those wonderful cupcakes, and we went to the farmer's market, and I will actually put her link as well in the description if you want to see her delicious, scrumptious cupcakes that I love so much in my mouth. So we're heading up to the last one. As you can see, I am working that color on both sides, back and forth, working it down, guys. And then I'm going to apply that lighter color. We're going to rinse in cool water, no shampoo. You do not need to shampoo these out. And then we're just going to apply conditioner. I am going to rinse her straight away. So I also do not recommend shampooing for 48 hours. So here's Bree's virgin beautiful hair, and here it is curled, a little sneaky peeky, and here it is. She looks absolutely stunning and gorgeous and beautiful, and she loves it, and we were so happy with the outcome, guys. Like I said, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to follow me on all the socials. Thanks, guys. Love you. And if you love this video so much, don't forget to check this video out right here, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.